Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn using the database to store the penetration testing result in Metasploit. Let us now learn how we can use our configured database to store our result of the penetration test. Now we are all set to use database for storing result. Enter the help command in MSF console to have a quick look at the important database commands available to us. Let us start with a quick example. Open up terminal and open Metasploit framework. Type db_nmap. You can see that basic usage of db_nmap, that is save, help, nmap option. The db_nmap command stores the result of the port scan directly into database along with all relevant information. Launch a simple nmap scan on the target machine to see how it works. Type db_nmap 210.58.199.142. You can see that all information is stored in database. Using these open ports, let's connect to open port using connect command. Type connect 216.58.199.142.443. In previous video, we learned connect command. You can see that it is connected to 216.58.199.142. So that's it in this video on using the database to store penetration testing result. Thank you for watching this video.